Hey, what's up? It's Doug here at Santa Clara Cycle. Today we're looking at this very nice 2007 Honda Shadow 600 Deluxe. This is Honda's midsize cruiser, 600cc vtwin, carbureted engine, 5-speed transmission. This bike is in very good condition, very clean, all original. This bike only has 7,580 miles on the odometer. All stock and runs very good. The only addition this bike has over stock would be the accessory windshield. Good for long distance rides. Other than that, this bike is all stock and runs great. Brand new tire in the rear. These 600 Shadow engines are very reliable, very solid. This very nice 2007 Honda Shadow 600 is offered at $37.95. Stop on by Santa Clara Cycle and check it out. You can reach at 408-730-0600.